a long way. How can I help you?
Can I have the chicken bacon ranch loaded fries?
All right. Anything else?
That's it.
907.
Thank you. Welcome back to a new vlogmas. Not sure which day this is. It might be day 5. Yeah, I think it's day 5. So it is 1:12. I'm just getting outside. I've been up for a while now. I am hungry. What I need to do is go to the grocery store and get some meat, like some sausage or something, because all I have is eggs and they're good, but they don't fill me up. I need some meat. So that's literally the only reason why I got this right now. Even though I could have went to the store and got some meat and then went home and cooked, but I'd rather have zaxby. So we got the chicken bacon ranch. Ooh, I gotta send him this, bro. I have to. Hold on, y'all, because I want to take a picture of my food. Okay, so here is my food. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I had this, I think I tried it for the first time the week before last, and it was so good. So I had picked up some food for me and my boo the other day from the other Zaxby's, and bro, it did not look like this. Like, the cheese wasn't really melted, and I don't even think they had put the ranch up there. So this one is definitely better when it comes to this right here. So I'm about to eat this, and then I'm gonna go up to the Walmart and see if I can make some money up there. I do have a few things that I want to do today, so I want to ship this order out, but I need some coconut oil, so I still have to go to the grocery store either way. I need some coconut oil, and then I want to go to Dollar Tree. I need some dish soap because my freaking sink is full right now and I've been lazy. Literally been outside every day. Could have stopped at the store, didn't. So I'm out of dish soap. I gotta get some of that. Gotta get some bowls. I'm gonna make a whole list. I'm gonna make a list. But we gotta go to the store, get some stuff. And then I also want to stop by, I might do that today or maybe later this week, but I want to stop by the Advanced Auto Parts, I think, and get some wiper fluid and a new air filter. And then once I do that, the only thing I have to do is get some oil so that I can do an oil change, but I'm gonna wait to do that. But I watched the video on how to do the air filter, so that's like really simple. My boo did show me how to do the oil, but I think I forgot, and I could really watch the video, but I'd rather call him just so that we can talk. So I might wait. I think I'm gonna wait on that. I definitely want to get the wiper fluid and the air filter, so that may be in this vlog as well, or I might do it tomorrow or later this week. I don't know, but this food is piping hot, bro. And if you've been here, then you know I love me some potatoes. I love potatoes, mashed potatoes, any type of potatoes. I like them, bro. Like, that's my favorite food, potatoes and cookies. And I got some cookies at the house. Y'all probably gonna see me eating some cookies in one of these vlogs during vlogmas. No way I just dropped food. I also need to take my car to get it washed, but that's not really important. Bro, I don't even see it. I want to get out on my floor. Now I kind of wish I would have got a drink, a lemonade. But I do have some water with me. This is so good. This is the only food app that I have on my phone, and I always make sure I get the points. I think the last time I came to Zaxby's, I went to the other one, right? That's where we had got those weak ass loaded fries from. I spent over $40. They gave me a receipt, but the freaking, this part was cut off. The scanning part was cut off, bro. I was so mad because I know for a fact I would have got a lot of points for that. I was so mad, bro. But I always make sure I get my points. So right now, I have 950 points. So I would have had over 1K points. That's crazy. So let's put this in. Oh no, this is gonna make me sleepy. I feel it already. I got stuff to do. I'm trying to make some money today. Okay, we get 80 more points. They would never cut the freaking receipt off, bro. I would have been over 1K. Like, this is gonna be one day I'm not gonna feel like spending any money at all. I'm gonna be hungry as shit, and I'm gonna come to Zaxby's and get whatever I want. Well, whatever they have that I can get. I'm about to sit here and enjoy my food. I'll come back once I guess at Walmart. Fingers crossed we have a good day and we can make some money up there. So this is the current situation. So while I'm sitting here, the person cancels the order. So it went down to $10. I'm not doing an order for $10. So I ended up canceling that one. And then this might be a little crazy, but I took another order because I'm not moving, because then I have to wait in the line back there. So this one is a little crazy. It says 37.61, 19 miles, and I have to make 12 different stops. But it's literally just 1, 2, at the most it's 3. Like, some customers have 3 items. That's the highest amount of items that they have, and it's literally like toys and medicine and stuff. So it will not take me long at all to do this. Like, literally get out the car, grab the stuff, and go. I won't have to like make multiple trips or anything. So I'm gonna just do this one, and then after that I'll probably come back up this way and get something else. This is honestly insane, bro. So I just canceled the freaking order. The girl came out and told me that the order that I accepted is actually from like last week. It's old. Someone that was getting the order ready ended up putting the stuff back on the shelf. So she was like, it would probably take over 2 hours for them to get the rest of the stuff. They only had 4 things ready right now. And she understands that we get paid by the order. So I just canceled it. I don't even know if I'm finna stay up here any longer. I'm kind of annoyed, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably been almost 2 hours that I've been up here and I haven't made anything. Okay, we might be able to get this one. This says 2010 curbside pickup at 3:45, and it says it's ready. It's literally only one item, some Sharpies. And I think I saw a parking spot open, so I'm about to go over there. Let's just breathe. You know what? We didn't even have to do all those miles, so maybe it was a win. Even though I just wasted so much time, maybe it was a win because we didn't have to do all those miles. This one is $20.10, and it says 6.3 miles, so it's not as bad. It's not bad at all. So let's go over here to this parking spot, and they should bring it right out. It says it's ready, and it's literally only one item. So let's go. We're finally driving. This is literally the order right here. One item. I wish all orders could be like this. So I will get there at 4:25. It is currently 4:07. I'm excited. We finally making some money. Finally, bro. Just left AutoZone. We got the stuff. Look at this big ass thing of washer fluid. Never gonna run out, okay? We're stocked up for sure. And then I got the air filter. So now I just gotta go in the house and get my little tool, my little screwdriver. And yeah, we're gonna see if I can do this. I have no idea where this goes exactly, so I'm gonna find a video because I know there's a video for it. There's a video for everything. I freaking love YouTube. So apparently it's supposed to go right here. I'm about to just pour it up in there. Do I fill it all the way up or no? This thing was empty. Okay, so I did not think this thing was gonna take all of this. I thought I was gonna have some left over, but we got the washer fluid right. Now I just have to do the freaking air filter, which is over here. Oh. All right, so basically all I have to do is unscrew these. Bruh, this is crazy. Look at the old one. This is so bad. This is the old one, and here is the new one. And I got it out of here, so I'm about to slide the new one in and close it up, and then I should not have that freaking warning thing up there anymore. All right, so this is how it looks. Just reset the air filter. So now literally all we have to do is the oil, but I'm gonna do that another day, so y'all will probably see that in another vlogmas video. So right now I'm sitting in front of Dollar Tree about to get out, but I want to make my list real quick so that I won't forget anything, because I'm gonna be so pissed if I forget something. So let's see, I need some dish soap. What else? I guess I can get some more paper towels. I need some bowls, spoons, and I need some coconut oil out of the other store. What else? I know I'm finna forget something. I'm gonna be so mad, bro. I think that's all I need out of here. So I'm about to go in real quick, get that, and then go to the other store so I can get the coconut oil, and then I'm gonna go home. Literally all that I picked up from the store. So I ended up just going to CVS because it was not too far from Dollar Tree. So I just got this organic coconut oil. Then I got 2 things of paper towels. And then I got some bowls. This is for my business stuff. I need some more because I want to mix up some lip scrubs tonight. And then I got some more spoons. And then I got some more dish soap. Need that right now. I'm gonna wash these dishes. And then I got some Lysol wipes. So that is literally all of the stuff that I picked up from Dollar Tree and then CVS. It's about to be 12 o'clock soon. I'm about to pack this up. I just finished making the rest of the lip scrubs. I already have marshmallow done. Just had to do birthday cake, bubblegum, and cherry. Lip scrubs are available. And this one is actually going to Canada. I don't know until I print out the packing slip. And I saw this going to Canada. So I hope that she loves these lip scrubs. I'm about to drop this off tonight, and that'll be the end of my day, honestly. Had a pretty cool day, even though we went through all that stressfulness, but you know, it was still pretty good. I'm so sleepy. Oh wait, it was working last time. Come on. There you go. All right. Finish. Gonna enter my email. Y'all, I am so sleepy. So I'm about to go ahead and end this video right here. Once I get back in the house, I am laying down and I'm gonna edit until I fall asleep. I hope that you all enjoyed day 5. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and come back tomorrow for day 6.